Hi friends. Today I am going to show you that how I made my AI influencer. And this is AI influencer is looks like very real girl. When we create and my AI influencer, when we create our AI influencer, then certainly it is she is a very plastic type body, or she has a plastic type body, or plastic type skin tone. But this AI girl is very real, and this is very blonde girl. I'm going to show you how I made my AI influencer girl, which is blonde girl, for UK USA tone. Okay, so her skin tone is like a UK and USA girl. So I show you how I prompt, how made I prompt, how I make my prompts, and how I make my real girl real looks like a girl. Okay, okay. So first of all, I collect my girl, है ना, my girl faces. So this is a folder, and I download these three images, which is a random images. Uh, okay, so let's see these images. Then first image is this. Second image, this is a second image. You can download from Google. You can download from Google randomly. है ना? If you look from in the Google and downloaded it in a folder. My folder name is Blonde Girl. Now I'm going to my ChatGPT account. I'm going to my ChatGPT account, start a new chat, and I paste these three images in the chat window. Okay, so here is the three images which I have select from my Google account. So now we require a prompt. We require a proper prompt about the blonde girl. So this is a key prompt and character creation prompt. If you comment out in the description, in the video, in the comment box, so I will provide you this prompt list. This is very master prompt. So I will go to the character creation prompt and copy it from it. Copy this prompt from here, and again I am going to my chat gpt account and paste this prompt here. Now send prompt. Now the chat gpt analyze three images and give me the master AI influencer prompt. Okay, so I'm going to my chat gpt account, and this here is the blonde girl. Here is the blonde girl which I made, but I am creating my new blonde girl. So I'm going to new chat, create image, and this master prompt, I have copied this master prompt here. This is very good, or this is very big prompt. ChatGPT gives me the negative prompts also. Now copy here, copy this prompt from here, and go to the Google Gemini. If you want to great image, if you want to realistic image, then we will also use the Gemini. Gemini is the very realistic model and very powerful model for AI influencer. It use the Nano Banana Pro model. So I select the Pro and go to the submit. Now this Gemini is creating your image. Now just wait for a while. This is running on my window, defining final influencer look, and is running. It's takes some time, but little time, no much time. accessing wire visual accuracy, show thinking. Now, okay, this is my blonde girl. This is my blonde girl. You can download it now. Download is starting. It downloading as a full file. Once it is download, okay, so it is downloaded. My influencer girl is downloaded. Now double click on it. You can see what is the reality. You can see its forehead, its hairs, her eyes, her lips, her skin. You can't imagine, this is very real. This looks very real, girl. So this is the whole process of creating AI blonde girl. Because market huge demand, because huge demand of the market, that AI girl is very useful for it. So I hope you learned about the AI girl, how I made the AI girl or AI realistic girl. So if your query, then comment me, and if you have a very great query, then comment me, and you want to the master prompt, or if you want to the prompt this final character prompt, then you can comment on my video, below my video. So I will send you the prompt list, this complete document, and like my video and subscribe my channel. Then I will send you this complete character book for free. So guys, I hope you will enjoy this video, and subscribe my channel if you see that my content is very valuable. If you want more videos, then like my videos, and share it to other friends and family. So thank you very much. See you later. Bye bye.